Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ahmed Ghaleb, and I'm here on behalf of my whole team. I'd like to present our reflection on the industrial talk. I'm going to be honest this time. We really, on the start of the presentation, we didn't feel like we are learning much, and we didn't seem to be engaged because the presenter, Mr. Shan, was talking about really basic stuff like Gmail, Google services, things that we already know as computer science students. So that was kind of boring and disappointing, but that's okay, because on the other hand, we learned things. We felt not learned things. We got the experience of being in a conference, which is a good thing. We learned how to note the important things, how to structure what happens. The experience was good, but not the learning things. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna say. Thank you.